Every global product begins where discipline meets the land.
Here, timing defines quality before machines ever engage. Harvest is controlled, deliberate, and exact. Freshness is protected by speed and structure. Every step prepares the fruit for its next journey. From soil to system, motion never stops. The harvest now moves beyond the field. Logistics protect what the harvest delivers. Stability preserves value over distance.
The journey officially begins.
Freshness travels under constant motion.
Modern food chains rely on synchronized transport. Processing begins long before the first machine runs.
Controlled access ensures traceability.
Precision matters even before unloading. The factory is ready to receive.
Scale transforms agriculture into industry. Every arrival is logged, timed, and measured.
Traceability anchors trust in modern food systems.
The outside world gives way to controlled environments.
Flow defines efficiency.
Spacing prevents waste.
Surface impurities are removed without harming the skin.
Movement replaces abrasion. Cleaning is controlled, not aggressive. Moisture is managed before inspection. Precision airflow replaces heat. Human judgment still defines quality. Not every fruit follows the same path. Uniform size enables uniform processing. The raw form is now ready for transformation. Controlled release defines process stability. Orientation prepares precision. Only what's necessary is removed.
Digital eyes verify natural quality.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Stability allows delicacy.
The barrier is opened, not destroyed. Transformation begins with exposure.
The raw exterior is gone, structure remains. Environment now shapes the outcome. Uniformity is engineered, not assumed.
Every movement is measured.
Texture defines the next transformation. Nature is refined, not erased. Consistency is now visible.
Temperature protects flavor. Balance is engineered at the micron level.
The product is ready for automation. Scale demands automation without compromise.
Every variable is constantly measured.
Timing defines consistency. Structure is refined under force. Uniformity becomes visible. Nothing here is left to chance. Reliability is engineered, not hoped for. Clean systems protect flavor. Automation hands control to precision.
Finishing defines the final character.
Texture is engineered at microscopic scale. Flavor balance is verified in real time. Clarity completes refinement. Air is removed to protect stability. Safety is built into time and temperature.
Human eyes confirm digital certainty.
Precision prepares for containment.
The product is ready to be sealed.
Verification is the final safeguard. Testing begins with accuracy. Control extends beyond the production floor. Invisible risks are carefully monitored. Numbers confirm integrity.
Human senses still matter.
Only verified product moves forward. Quality clears the final gate.
Nothing proceeds unchecked.
Containment protects everything achieved so far. Closure locks in quality.
Identity and traceability are applied.
Individual units become shippable volumes. Structure ensures safe movement. Finished product waits under controlled conditions. Distribution reconnects factory to market.
And this is how modern factories produce dragon fruit from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.